How to record Zoom meeting in your laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can record a Zoom meeting in your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing you'll need to keep in mind is that if you have the free version of Zoom, you will only be able to save your recordings locally. You can also save it in the cloud, but you will need the paid version of Zoom to do that. So let's open this up. To record a meeting, you'll first need to start a new meeting. So let's start a new meeting now. And after you've started a meeting, let me just turn both of those off and start a meeting. After you've started the meeting, you should find a record option. So you'll find the record option right here. You'll find record to this computer since it's completely free. This is the free version, so it will record it to this computer. So you can press on the record button.
Recording in progress.
So after you do that, your recording should start, and then you can pause it or stop it from here.
Recording stopped.
And yeah, the recordings MP4 will get saved to your device. And that's basically it for today's video. That's how you record a meeting in Zoom. Thanks for watching. There you can see the recording will open up itself automatically. You can also find the location of the saved option or saved Zoom meeting. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.